Are you overwhelmed by disorganized workflows? You're not alone. Carrefour Belgium, the trusted shopping hub for 80% of households, faced similar hurdles. Despite serving over 700,000 customers annually, internal inefficiencies threaten productivity. With 15 fragmented help desks, visibility into operations was a constant struggle. Then came Freshservice. This innovative solution streamlined processes and unified helpdesks. It became the key to transforming Carrefour's operational landscape. Imagine resolving requests 75% faster. That's the power of Freshservice. Productivity skyrocketed, empowering 350 support agents. A unique advantage lies in its extensive integrations. Freshservice transformed incident management with automation that was previously unattainable. Carrefour Belgium now enjoys centralized logistics oversight. This shift has fostered better communication and heightened customer satisfaction. The success is evident. In just 2 years, just 8 help desks were transitioned to Freshservice, boosting agent morale and efficiency. Ready to streamline your operations? Discover how Freshservice can elevate your team's performance. Take action today, and embrace the future of retail management.